product review. What's going on, you guys? I am back with another product for you guys. I was scrolling on Facebook one day and I saw this product and I was like, this might help me when I'm doing my videos and stuff. So on impulse, I just bought it, and I know that it's new out on the scene, so I want to let you guys know what I think about it. And actually, this will be the first time me even trying to use it on camera with you guys. So the actual product is the Gimbowl, and it is a device that you can insert your cell phone, and while you're recording your videos, it's motion detected. So if you move, the stand is going to move with you, so you're never out of frame, and it's just going to keep moving with you. So yeah, so when you get the package, it's going to come in this box, and inside of the package you're going to get the case that it's held in, and you're also going to get your charging cord. Now you have to have a base, of course, but it's going to come with the charging cord for you to use it. Now, when I plugged this up for the first time, I believe it had a charge already, because I mean, it literally took maybe about 5 minutes for the light to go off. So let's hope and pray that it was halfway charged. But here is mine. They have different colors. They have pink, black, and I believe they have another color as well. I forgot the colors. But this is mine. It has a stand that comes with it that you just screw on, and this is actually the stand that lets it swivel around. But you also can attach it to a tripod. When you screw this out and remove it, the screw at the bottom, depending on what your tripod screw is, you can actually screw it on your tripod and use it. Now, I will say with the base piece up here, you can move it around. So that's good if you wanted to move it around, so you can angle your camera in a different way. And it also can turn. So this would be if you just had your phone vertically up and you just insert it inside. But if you want it horizontal, swap it over this way. The charger port is in the back. And when you plug it up for the first time, the light is going to be red right here. And that's how you know when it's done charging, because that red light is going to actually extinguish. So this is the power on button. It's up here at the top. And they do have a reset button, which is it's supposed to have a reset button. As I looked in the directions, you will get the directions right here. The reset button's on the back. You would just have to stick like a pin or something in it to actually initiate the reset. So yes, let's turn it on for the first time with each other, and let's calibrate it. When you turn it on, the first time, it is going to calibrate. So let's see together how it calibrates. You're gonna get the instruction booklet in your package as well. So let's turn this bad boy on and let's calibrate it. Now, when you first turn it on, they do recommend that you have it on a flat surface, or you can mount it on a tripod so that it can rotate smoothly. You want to turn the power button on, but you want to hold it for 3 seconds. And when the blue indicator light is on, wait for the device to calibrate by rotating 360 degrees. So let's turn this on. Awesome. So now it's ready to use. Now, when you're in tracking mode, you want to make sure that you are in front of the camera. So once tracking mode stops and it rotates 360 degrees, you want to press the on off button one time so it can stop the tracking mode. And now it's ready to go. If you want to turn off the device, you just hold the power on and off button for 3 seconds. So like I said, this is the first time that I opened it and used it. So we're going to see if it works. Okay. Pause. So the original video that I was recording, I had to delete it because the gimbal does a whole 360-degree turn in whatever environment that you're in. And my room was hella junky, and I will not have y'all clowning me. So you get this insert of me on the plane playing with it. Insert now. Great. So now that it's calibrated, whenever it works, whenever I move, it's gonna move with me. So hey, it works. I do like that. You want to make sure that you move within the frame of the camera, and you want to make sure that you aren't moving quickly, because I don't think it can catch you that quickly. But so far, it works like it's supposed to. It moves when I move, just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Hell yeah, say DJ, bring that back. I like it. So yeah, this is the gimbal, you guys. I will leave you a link in the description box where you can actually find this. I'm trying to like move. Where you can actually find this if you would like to purchase it. Like I said, they have different colors, and so yeah, just wanted to give you a glimpse of what it's like. And this was my first time actually using it, so I'm glad that it does work, and I'm glad that you guys got to see how it works with me trying it for the first time. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Follow me on IG at PrettyFlyMichelle, like now. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews, tutorials, and do-it-yourself content. Did you like this video? Do it now, please. Did you subscribe to my channel? Don't get caught slipping, okay? That's all. Love you. Bye.